Hey folks, hello to you. Welcome to this episode of the Rod Elmore Show. Today, we're going to be making healthy homemade ranch. Right, dear?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Coming up right now. All right, let's get started. What are we doing?
All right. 1.5 cups of light tasting olive oil. Oh,
I almost lost
2 eggs.
Almost lost my egg. We got 2 eggs. So what do I put the eggs in first?
It doesn't matter. You
All
can
right.
put it in any order.
So 2 cups of olive oil.
1.5 cups olive oil.
Light tasting olive oil.
All right. You can put the 2 eggs in there.
All right. Got my teaspoon.
2 teaspoons of each.
All right. Now, are we doubling this recipe?
Yes. If you want just one, then you can half it. But
So we're doubling it.
this would be considered a double recipe.
Okay. About how long does this last?
Well, you can keep it for up to 6 days in the refrigerator. Here it lasts about 3 or 4 days.
We like ranch dressing because it's good for like dipping sauce. It's good for salads. It's good for veggies. It's good for
Okay.
just about anything.
1 teaspoon of salt,
All right, 1 teaspoon of salt. So how much sour cream did you put in?
half a cup.
Half a cup of sour cream. Half a cup. Oh, nice.
And 1/8 of a teaspoon of mustard powder. So I just,
Have to eyeball it.
that's too much. That's good.
Boom.
Alright.
How much vinegar?
2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar.
2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. What happens if I put too much?
It tastes like vinegar.
I like the way vinegar tastes.
Yeah, but not everybody else in the house does.
That's true. So be careful with the vinegar.
And if you put too much garlic, then it tastes like garlic.
Oh, I love garlic. Woo! Do you like garlic? Because I do.
Yeah, we don't like garlic as much as you do.
Oh man, I can eat garlic on anything except dessert. That's probably about it. Yeah. Okay, so I got everything in. What's next?
Now, fix the blender.
Ooh, got my hand blender, immersion blender, hand mixer. What else is it called?
Immersion blender.
Immersion blender. All
Or a
right.
stick blender.
Stick. Oh, that's it. I like that stick blender. Now that's a special technique I'm supposed to be using.
Yes.
What is that?
So, put the blender all the way to the bottom.
Okay.
Pull it up just a little bit. Then you're going to turn it on and you're going to leave it there until it starts emulsifying.
Okay.
And then you're going to pull it very slowly toward the top.
All right.
Very slowly.
Must be an art to making homemade ranch dressing.
Yes.
But I assure you, this is really simple and easy. Check it out. Oh, this blender, stick blender, hand blender, emulsion blender, immersion blender has 15 settings on the top of this thing. We're gonna put it on like 7. As always, thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell and select all so you're notified every time we do a video. Hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you like best about this video. All right. See you next time.